Okay, so today we're going to do a little exploratory. You can hear, look at there, that just punched through. So we know this is rotten. What we want to do is see if the walls are rotten. And there's a few places like this along the trailer. So let's dig into it and we'll see what we've got. Okay, so here we are, a quick exploratory. Yeah, all the roof, both inside and outside, is rotted. The good thing is the cross members, the joists here seem to be in good condition and not rotted. That's a good thing. The walls, they don't seem to be too bad. I can put another piece of wood in here and then nail it in there, staple it in there, what have you. Then I can put a new top coat on. But all this here, you can see this all has to be replaced. So I can put some strengthening members in here, which is probably what I'll do. I don't even think this is an OSB. I don't know what this is, but you're supposed to be able to walk on this roof. But this is just one small section, so we'll see what else we find. And of course, there goes the train. Yeah, looking at all this entire roof, it's gonna have to go. You can see the holes in here around the vents, so it's pretty much gotten everywhere. The ribs all look pretty good, so we'll have to see. I'm gonna see material costs, time, labor, blah blah blah, but all these things right here, they're all gonna have to come off. And then I've got to get the wood. Then we need a new rubber membrane on top, and yeah, we just gotta see if it's gonna be worth it, because all this side channel, all this stuff is cracked. These are where your screws go in. So again, I'm gonna have to get into it here and see if it's gonna be worth the money. Well, we're getting her apart. The liner on top here, it tucks under this, so this has to come off. I can save that. But here we come into one of them situations. Yeah, this thing here is busted. I mean, it's just gone. Well, we'll keep that. That gives me a part number. But I mean, it's completely destroyed. You can see it's just falling apart here. So I guess we'll rip this out. Yeah, the whole rip's coming off. So yeah, let's get on her. Yeah, here's a better video. We can see how the old membrane was fastened and then stapled all the way down. So this rain gutter thing here, it's got to come off. So I'm going to do the whole perimeter. And the heater air conditioner works real great. These vents, you know, this is on top of a roof. They see UV all the time. So more than likely, these are all going to have to be replaced. But we'll see when we get into them. Well, trick or treat. Yeah, that wall's trashed. It goes all the way through here, top of the window. Today we're just trying to take this rain gutter apart. Basically, it holds down the old membrane and see what we've got, see how bad the walls are. So just got a little bit left to go. Okay, we're gonna call this a day. I've got all the rain gutter off all the way around the perimeter. I'll end up taking this off. Yeah, the roof is completely trashed, and a lot of the ribbing along the edge here is wet as well, and it'll have to come off. But so I suggest this year of a trailer and all the work that's got to be done, you don't do this, just take it to the junkyard. However, I've got a little donation on parts and materials. I've got every tool known to mankind. I'm retired, so I've got a little bit of time. But yeah, this definitely wouldn't be worth somebody fixing up, and you know, just the price of this alone, you'd never get your money back out of it. But gives me something to do for the summer, and I know I'll have a solid place that won't leak when I'm done. So till tomorrow.